Hello everyone, this is Sudeshna. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, as the title suggests, I'm going to share some tips and tricks to get a flawless full face makeup. So before jumping into the video, I'm going to talk about several steps that needs to be followed before putting on some makeup onto your face. Number one is to have a good skincare routine. No matter what skin type you belong to, you have to exfoliate your skin, you have to moisturize it really well before putting on some makeup. Number two is to remove your facial hair. Now that is a really important step. Otherwise your foundation and your concealer is gonna stuck on your facial hair and that looks really cakey. Number three is to find the exact shade of your foundation as well as your concealer. A shade that matches your skin tone. We need to know that we put on makeup to even out our skin tone, not to look fairer. Okay, so be comfortable and be proud of your own skin color. On a disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist, I am not a beautician, neither I have done any beauty courses, but whatever I am sharing, that just works for me, so that I'm sharing to you. So yeah, that's just all it for the introduction part. Without further ado, let's just quickly jump into the video. I have already prepped my skin, and first thing that I'll be starting with is a primer. I am using the PAC Pore Minimizing Primer. So it's a really good primer. It's when it comes the question of blurring out your pores, it just does the best job. That's how I feel. So I have taken a tiny amount of it, like so. I'm just warming it up onto my fingers. I'm just gonna patting it all over, especially around my T-zone. So once I'm done with that, I will be using a concealer. I am using the L'Oreal True Match Concealer. I'm using this concealer to conceal several problematic areas of my face. Next, using a beauty blender, I am blending the concealer out. So once I'm done with that, I will be using another concealer. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. I'm gonna highlight several areas of my face. As you can see, I am dragging the concealer towards my hairline. This trick gives your face a certain lift. If you are not comfortable with beauty blender, you can go for brushes as well. So once I'm done with that, it's time for some foundation. You can totally skip this step. For my foundation today, I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. What I do with my foundation is I have taken a very tiny amount on the back of my hand and I'm just applying that in a dotting motion, like so. To set my face, I will be using a loose powder. I am using the sugar one. I am using this underneath my eyes. It will not only set your face, it will give you a certain highlight too. So I will leave that like this for 5 minutes, and in the meanwhile I will be completing my contouring part. I am using the contouring stick from Wet n Wild in the shade Oaks on You. I'm just giving a certain dimension to my face. I'm blending that out with the help of the beauty blender again. I just felt it's too light to be a contour shade for me. So I'm thinking of going for a powder product on top of that. For that, I will be using this face palette from Sivana colors. I'm just taking the contour shade, very little amount, and I'm just going on top of that with a very soft hand. Now this is completely optional. If you go for a right shade of your cream contour, you don't have to go for a powder product on top of that. I just gone back to my loose powder to sharpen up my contouring a little bit more. Okay, so leave your face like this for 5 minutes so that the powder gets its own time to sit on your face. So I'm using a brush to dust off all the excess powder from my face. I'm setting the whole face as well. So for my blush today, I am picking up the blush shade from the same face palette. I've taken a generous amount of blush on my brush. To put on your blush, you need to just smile a little bit. For that, I need to just shut up. Okay, so I put on blush like nobody's business. Please excuse me on that. Next step is to fix your whole makeup. For that, you need a fixing spray. I am using the PAC fixing spray. Just gone back to my beauty blender to blend everything out together. Also pushing the fixing spray into my skin, making sure that my makeup stays longer than my relationship. The last and the final step for your face is to highlight your face. I am using the Sivana colors shimmer brick highlighter to highlight my face. I'm taking these 2 shades right at the top. I'm gonna apply the highlighter on the highest points of my face. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my face. As you can see, I have done my eyes, eyebrows and my lips off camera, and that is where I am finishing off my today's video. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you want to watch on my channel. I will try to get my hands on that. So if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, you know the deal, what to do: like, share and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. So stay tuned for my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.